Welcome. I'm going to tell you the story of a company. This is a company which has started 10 years back, and now we have attained certain size, certain scale, certain volume, and now we are going for an orbital shift. This is the story of NetExcel. There are many faces of NetExcel. In that way, NetExcel is a multifaceted personality. And that is the reason why probably Microsoft has chosen us to be the most innovative software company of India in 2007. Even last year, we have filed an international patent for our CBC, Cell Broadcast Center. NetExcel is a 10-year-old story. We had a very humble beginning in the early 2000s with about 5 software professionals and 1 IT man. And from that time, we have grown from strength to strength, and today we have achieved a good scale. We have had our operation in not only India but also in some other countries like Malaysia, like Fiji, and certain African countries. To do the work for the African countries, we have recently incorporated a company called NetExcel Mauritius Limited in Mauritius. And from this point onwards, our growth and our journey will be different. We are actually in the B2B segment. And in B2B segment, if you want to operate, you need to have 2 fundamental things: empathy and responsiveness. And I am proud to say that we have both of this. We are effectively connected to more than 200 million mobile subscribers. So far, we have activated more than 60 million GPRS subscribers. We also do a lot of inbound dialing, which is otherwise known as the IVR portals, or also we do a lot of outbound dialing. In the month of March alone, we have made more than 220 million OBD dial outs. We have more than 120 servers spread across the country. We have 30 active products, and all this is not possible without a concerted and scaled effort. I will talk little bit about our sales and marketing team headed by certain very competent person from the industry who had the knowledge and the experience of seeing both sides of the story. Today, the operators are facing problem due to high churn rate. They are also facing problem because of low RPU. So once our sales team understands all these issues, and once they go and approach the telcos on how to make their life easy, it would be a real boon to the telecom operators. And we are exactly on the same path. In this whole game of servicing to the customer or mobile operators, there is one department which is playing a very crucial role, and that department is research and new product development. I must tell that understanding only VAS is not sufficient to serve the mobile operators. But these value-added services or the products are dependent on 2 more factors. Whatever we experience in a phone depends on how the operator is beaming those items and what kind of handsets the subscribers are having. So depending on that, we have to develop and nurture and design the new product. We also have got somebody who is having almost 15 US patent under his belt, and that is the reason we are marching forward with new products like phone book backup, like SMS gateway, like Cell Broadcast Center or CBC, like reverse missed call alert or RMCA. Now I will narrate something about our enterprise vertical. Now, enterprise vertical primarily deals with bulk SMS or bulk data and bulk voice. Now, this segment is very interesting because almost it is growing at the rate of 100% year on year. We have just started exploring this avenue. We want to be a part of this growth story, and we are putting a lot of emphasis on this enterprise vertical. We develop, as per the requirement of those companies, specific custom-made software on a license basis and on a turnkey basis. This is one of the very important area where we are emphasizing, and I'm sure in the years to come, this particular division will contribute solidly to our growth story. How you deliver your solution to the customer is very important in this hosted model. In this business, we develop the software, we load the software on the hardware, and then we manage them right from our office. And to do that, the most important parameter is our responsiveness. And when I say responsiveness, I mean basically proactiveness. We must inform the operators any problem that happens immediately before they even realize, so that they can take the necessary action. And to do this, we have a very well defined escalation matrix as well as real-time online MIS and trouble ticketing facilities. These are all automated, and with the help of this, we can get back to the customer and give the best of the services possible in the industry. And I'm proud to say that in this industry, we are regarded as one of the best service providers. So here is a company with real people, real energy. So when we grow at a breakneck speed, we are going to have differences of opinion, and which I think is very healthy. And in this regard, I allow a very open culture to talk openly, to argue, to debate, to disagree. I give the freedom not only to grow but also to fail. And this particular freedom to tolerate failure actually brings in a lot of confidence among the team members. While summing up, I will emphasize in one of the very important parameter of all these different facets, which is known as quality. We at NetExcel have got a very robust quality policy. We are accredited for ISO 9001-2008, for which we regularly undergo through a very stringent internal and external audit. In India, the entire mobile environment is changing very rapidly. I mean, the first development is auctioning of 3G spectrum. Once you have a better spectrum, you have a better voice, you have a better data transfer. At the same time, once mobile number portability comes into effect, the churn will be more, and the operators are already thinking how to reduce this churn. And in the years to come, I'm sure mobile operators are going to put lot of emphasis on VAS as a differentiator of the services, and companies like us are going to play a better and more important role in this entire ecosystem. In conclusion, I have a humble submission to all of you that we are ready to do business across the geography, across the technology, and across the time zones. We are a very unique company. We have the ability of a big company, but we have the agility of a small company. I'll be privileged if you could come forward to do business with us. We are ready to help you, and trust me, your experience with us will be very interesting and fruitful. Thank you.